guys.
Shush, do not say Aussie. I finally got my fidget pack.
This mum.
Shush, Matilda.
Not very good. Mutti.
And I'm really excited because I finally got it and I've been waiting for a week and 1 day.
Probably.
No, it is. So, Dada, tomorrow we have to go out with the boys. So I can show them all this. Well, I have to go out with the boys.
Excuse me. Let me do a speech. By the way, I do not have any idea why this dude has nipples.
Give it to them down. So I'll show you all my fidgets which I got today. And I literally just got them like 5 minutes ago. And I was like, hey Mom.
Be back, guys.
So I've already got tons of poppets. These are the poppets which I had before. I have 5. I had 5 before. But no, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 6 before. But then I got 2 more today. So yeah. I got 4 marble meshes, which is cool. Oh my god, wait, I just realised that you could do this with them. I got 1 wacky track. And I thought that was going to make such a loud clicking noise, but it doesn't really.
I'm back.
Oh no, so if you have any of these fidgets at the end of this video, I'll tell you which ones you can bring to school or not. Like if you think you're maybe bringing fidgets. I got 4 monkey noodles. I got 2 pea poppers, but I traded Matilda one of my new pea poppers for one of my old pea poppers, which I traded her. 1 second, we'll just see which one has. Okay, no, this one is yours. And then I also got a bike chain.
After, can I tell them what I have?
I got a simple dimple.
Yeah.
I got 5 anti-pressure rings. I got 4 more mochis. I already have a pot of mochis in here, but I got 4 more. And then I got 1 infinity cube, which, like in the TikTok videos, they look way bigger. Like they look way more bigger, but they're actually smaller. Okay, and now Matilda wants to do it. And then after, I'll show you.
So, I have a
You know what, guys?
sit.
Real quickly, if you hear clicking, it might be me playing with this infinity cube. And remember, don't get mad if you hear this all night.
If Mum is even watching, I don't know where she is.
No, she's like right behind the camera. No, okay, say your thing.
Oh, okay. 6 mochis. Unicorn squishy.
By the way, she didn't buy these.
Ball.
I just traded her them.
Big Rubik's Cube. Donut squishy. Ice cream squishy dessert, I guess.
Which one?
And a panda with stuff on his head.
You
and
mean like
cherries?
ice cream?
Yeah. And then a tiny useless squishy, but I like
Put
it.
it on
like
the
a lot.
pencil. Ah, these are so ridiculous big.
Okay, Pea Popper. Pea Popper.
Look at that, Mama.
Tiny squishy. Ball.
I'm going to show you that.
This doesn't look like a ball though. Okay, then after the ball, I have a mini Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, I got
Oh my gosh! Guys, I did it!
Yeah, but not actually the whole thing.
Okay, And then after the Rubik's Cube, I have this homemade thing that Ava made. She gave it to me.
I was trying to make like a tangle.
What's a tangle?
Oh, you're too young to know.
Okay, then after that I have puppet. That's it.
Okay, now back to me. Okay, so these are fidgets which you can take and what you can't take. Okay, so Mochi's...
Wait. After can we fidget tray?
No. Well, after, yeah, the video after.
We can make a video while we fidget.
Yeah, but that'll be like the next video. Okay, so you probably can take mochis because they're quiet, but the only problem is that they might get dirty easily.
Literally.
Then the next one, you probably can take wacky tracks because they're not really that noisy as I expected them to be. No, I don't want that mochi. I gave it to you. Maybe you should start washing them. So yeah, you probably can take a wacky track.
I'll be back. I'm gonna wash these.
Wash them real good with soap. Back to me. Okay, so now a simple dimple, probably yeah, because when you get a simple dimple, there's a little like keychain where you can just like clip it onto your bag. But there's a loud side. This side's a loud side. That side's a quiet side.
Oh, guys.
So I don't really know if you could take this because there's a loud side. Same with like the puppet. I normally take my puppets to school, but for like lunch and break. You could probably take it for like lunch and break, but not in class.
Not working.
Probably not in class.
How?
So puppets, yeah, you could probably take them to school, but only for lunch and break. Infinity cubes, yes, you could probably take them. If you have a noisy class, then you probably can. Because these are surprisingly louder than the wacky track. But you probably can take them. Now pea poppers, yeah, you can take them because they're very, very quiet and cute. Like, look at that little face. I got two versions. This one's like a hard and like a newer version.
Yeah, I'm washing mochis.
And then this one's like a softer version. They got really cute faces. Monkey noodles, yeah, you can. But they also kind of get dirty a bit quick, as I've heard. But they're very, very stretchy and nice clear. Marmalade meshes, yeah, because they're very, very quiet and they're nice to play with. Anti-pressure rings. Yes, because they're very, very quiet and relaxing on your fingers. Like a mini massage. Bike chains, yeah. Yeah. You could also take these because they're very, very quiet. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, now, good ones for sleeping. If you have trouble sleeping, okay, if you have trouble sleeping, these are the ones which will probably help. Maybe an infinity cube because basically you can go on for an infinity. Mama!
Washed.
Let me see. Okay. Now, Mama, face mommy. Face mommy. Okay, now good ones. Fidget that can help you sleep. Infinity cube, because well, technically they can go on for infinity. They can go on forever. Literally, I'm not even kidding.
You could just do that until you're 51. If do you want to keep Bobby?
No.
Okay, who wants this? Comment down below if you want this. Just give away.
No, you can't give them away to people.
Well.
By the way, that isn't for everyone. Well, don't put them on my peacock. Give away marmalade meshes.
Marmalade
One
meshes.
sec, I'll just real quickly show show you something.
If you said
This is 10 minutes.
I know.
Oh.
Ma, when I say
Long.
pause, then you have to pause, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, pause. Pause. Okay. Also, bike chains would be good for sleeping.
My mochis are all washed.
Matilda,
They're
be quiet,
dying.
go. Being very, very annoying. And then also, as again, the anti-pressure rings, because they're good for massages. Like,
How are they?
they're just really, really nice feeling.
Okay.
Yeah. On Pea Poppers and Mochis. Mine as new.
Turn off.
What about like and subscribe? And
Oh, like and subscribe.
And try and buy an infinity cube.
No.